When we inspect homes for waterproofing issues, one of the things we often find is that the homeowner's sump pump has stopped working. It's a mechanical device and it's going to fail at some point. That then causes the basement to get wet. What we offer at American Water Works is our TripleSafe system. Let's take a closer look at that. This is a cutaway of our TripleSafe sump system. What this system is designed for is to give a homeowner the ultimate peace of mind. We've got two mechanical pumps side by side in a sump basket that's designed for that. We've got a primary pump that will pump on the day-to-day basis, but then we've also got this secondary pump in for a couple of reasons. One, if something would ever happen and the original pump breaks down the road many years, you've got a backup system already in place to just take over and keep pumping. Also, if water volume is enough that you would need two pumps to run simultaneously during a storm or a heavy rain event, we've got that already in place. We've got that plumbed out separately, so that's able to run simultaneously without any issues. Now, as you know, we in the Midwest have storms in the spring and summer. We oftentimes lose power as a result of that. There's a battery backup pump as well. We call that the Ultra Sump. It's its own pump, and it runs off of a battery and pumps out water even when there's not power. So this system is, again, the ultimate in peace of mind.